friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jazz Nicole and I'm here with another video. So today's video is a get ready with me vlog. I am going to brunch with a couple of my friends, and so we're celebrating my birthday a bit early. My birthday is actually May 8th, but we all have to work that weekend, so just doing a little quick celebration with them. I'll be doing another celebration, like dinner celebration with my line sisters the day before my birthday, but other than that, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So yeah, I'm excited to take you all along on this like get ready with me vlog. So I'm starting off with makeup. I'm trying to get into the habit of like being more comfortable wearing makeup and actually doing it. But yeah, I'm using most of the same products from my quick and easy like makeup look that I did. I'll link it above if that video goes up before this one. If not, I'll figure out a way to let y'all know that I had that video. But all of the items I have will be linked down below. But I'm starting off with my NYX pore filler primer. Like I said in my other video that I did, this like has a weird consistency. I don't know if it's supposed to or not, but it has like a weird like that's what I mean by weird consistency. It does not, it's not like a cream basically. It's more of a, I don't know, just go rub it in. If y'all hear the fan in the background, I'm sorry. It's like really hot right now. I just finished taking a shower. Oops. And that's my alarm because I have literally 45 minutes to get ready. So yeah, did my primer. About to do these eyebrows. Yeah, I'm really excited. We're going to Egg Harbor Cafe in Buckhead. I've never been there before, but they have bottomless mimosas, so you know. Working in education, there's like very few times where I'll be able to actually celebrate my birthday the way I want to, because my birthday is May 8th, like I said, and it falls on a Saturday this year, but just with my job, it's just really hard. I cannot open this. With my job, it's really hard to like actually fully celebrate my birthday the way I want to. And then also we're still like in a pandemic, so my options are still pretty limited. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony, just to kind of like line my eyebrows a little bit. I won't be doing too much with my eyebrows because I have not yet mastered that skill, but we're gonna get there one day. But as I was saying, I never really get to, you know, celebrate my birthday the way I usually want to. It's always like really a dinner or some like type of activity, which is fine. That's not the issue. It's more so like, you know, I want to be able to go on a trip and actually celebrate my birthday in a different country, and I was hoping that like this year would have been that year, since my birthday fell on like a Friday, Saturday type thing, but that did not happen. But I'm not even like that pressed about it because I'm just grateful to be able to make it to another year, especially after the year we just had. Eyes, lips, face, eyebrow pomade, just to kind of like fill in my eyebrows. Nothing too crazy with the eyebrows. I feel like one day I'm gonna be a master of like doing my eyebrows and actually making them look like twins and not sisters, but we ain't there yet. That's okay. I like using the Sephora concealer. It's the Sephora collection concealer, I should say. It's been really, like, I like it. I feel like it blends really well with my skin. This talking while doing makeup thing is not as easy as some influencers make it to look. Like, I'm seeing how, okay, Jasmine, like, you gotta talk, but at the same time, you gotta pay attention to what you're doing. We're gonna take a Lyft to the Egg Harbor Cafe because it's like a 20-minute drive from my spot, and I want us to be safe and not have to worry about like driving afterwards. So we're just gonna take a Lyft. It's just 5 of us going. This last year, like honestly, when I didn't even realize my birthday was coming up until like maybe a maybe a couple of weeks ago. Like normally I'm really excited about my birthday. I'm like always talking about it, you know, like letting my sister and family know like, okay, these are just some things that I would like for my birthday, nothing too crazy. You know, as you get older, like, yeah, gifts are nice, but I feel like me spending time with my family and friends is really where I'm like the vibe I'm trying to be on as far as birthdays. Like, don't get me wrong, I love gifts, like, you know, my love language is not gifts, but I like, you know, receiving them. I'm not gonna say no. I just feel like we are, like, this past year has taught us that life is one too short and to value time with your loved ones. So 27 was a year of a lot of like reflection and really just thinking about what is it that I want to accomplish in this life, what is it that I'm trying to, you know, what is my goals, and really like reaching and trying to reach them. So like I became a lot more dedicated. Well, one, I started my YouTube channel. Like I keep forgetting that was a year ago, but I started my YouTube channel. I started a new position, or I got promoted, I guess you could say. Like, those are pretty big things, you know, to think about when it comes to, you know, reflecting on the past year. But really, okay, first of all, my eyebrows, yes. Sorry, y'all, I feel like I'm all over the place with this conversation, but I'm really, really just grateful for being able to start my channel and being able to be promoted in my job. Like, that's just been, it's just been awesome. Now I'm using my Sephora collection Best Skin Ever foundation in the shade 57Y. And I'm gonna use this brush right here just to blend it in. I knew I was using the wrong freaking brush. I'm using the wrong brush, bruh. I'm supposed to be using this flat top brush to do my foundation. See, this is happening when I'm not paying attention. I was wondering, I was like, something don't feel right about this brush. And that's because it was my freaking bronzer brush and not my foundation brush. Now that I'm done with this foundation, I'm about to go in with my concealer. I had tried a different way of like putting on my concealer and I did it completely wrong, so I'm gonna just do the way that like I remember how, and then the more I feel like the more comfortable I get with concealer, the more I'll be able to experiment with more stuff. Oh, and the concealer, did I say what color it was? I did not. It's in the color 16 Pot de Creme. I'll link it down below. I really started like taking, I want to say, more risks and like diving deeper into my faith, because a lot of why I was holding myself back was for fear. Like I didn't want to be like, I don't want people to judge me or like look at me crazy. And so I started actually reading this Confident Woman by Joyce Meyer. Definitely a great devotional to check out if you're like looking for something. Dang, these allergies. Okay, we back. That's definitely a great book for you to like check out if you are wanting to just kind of grow in your faith and like your confidence. Once I started diving deeper into my faith and just kind of really honing in on that, I feel like I started to realize more and more what my purpose is, I feel like. So I used the Sephora bronzed bronzer. What shade is this? In the shade 6 Ibiza. I feel like I've made it work. It is what it is at this point. I got less than 30 minutes. Okay, so I just added a little concealer on my eyelid. I almost said eyebrow. Because I'm gonna try and do some eyeshadow today. We're gonna see how it's gonna work. I'm using the Nubian by Juvia's Place palette. We're gonna try this out today because I very rarely wear eyeshadow. Let me do some blush because I have 20 minutes. So now I'm just using the NYX matte finish. It's the first time I'm using this finishing spray. So we'll see how this works out. Okay, now I need to do my hair. That's gonna be the fun part. I'm just kidding. I actually have to put on mascara. I'm tripping. So I like this Morphe Make It Big mascara in bold black. Now we're done with the makeup. I'm gonna put on my lip gloss after I finish doing my hair. Okay, time to do this hair. It's kind of wet, so I sprayed what did I spray? Some water. So I'm gonna use this TGIN like buttercream just to kind of put some moisture in it. But yeah, I'm about to do a big puff because I don't have time to do nothing else with this hair. I actually need to wash it. But I'm supposed to wash it this weekend, but that didn't happen. Because I'm low-key still kind of coming off of how I was feeling after my second dose of the vaccine. I got Moderna. And that was, child, that was a lot. And then I'm gonna go in with the TGIN Mirror Curl styling gel just to kind of slick the hair back. But yeah, I'm coming off of like I spent most of last Wednesday and Thursday down for the count with from Moderna because that was a struggle. Oh goodness, who's texting me? Okay, I'm back. So I joined the wait list because there's apparently 42 parties ahead of us. So yeah. So the way I be doing these puffs is like really weird. Okay, I don't even know if y'all saw that, but okay, puff coming through. Ooh, it's all big and stuff. Yes. Yeah, so okay, I did not expect my puff to come out this good. Okay, I need to stop touching it and messing with it now. Okay, yeah, so my puff, I use like a oversized headband and then I just do a little, you know, finagle, because, but I feel like, did I mess up my makeup? No, I think we're good. We're good. Okay. All right, Jazz. I'm gonna put some edge control on the edges. Okay, hair done, makeup done. Thank goodness. I'm gonna have to clean all of this. So this is basically the aftermath of me trying to figure out something to wear. But finally I figured something out. Hold on. I got to move my bra out the way. My underclothes, oh my gosh. But yes, I got this like dress from Shein. And I have these sandals from TJ Maxx. And then some pearl jewelry. And then I'm gonna wear my Michael Kors crossbody. But I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and then I will be back to show you all the finished product. So here is my basket of fragrances. So I think I'm actually going to use my Dolce & Gabbana Garden perfume. It's like the travel size, the mini size. I got this from Sephora. Yeah, I did get it from Sephora. No, I got it from Ulta. I'm tripping. But I got it from Ulta, so I'm gonna spray this. So this is my first time actually using this. Ooh. Can I get it open though is the question. I don't know what I'm doing with this, y'all. Don't look at me. I know somebody said like, oh my gosh, what the heck happened to my skirt? Okay, I have to go change my skirt. Sorry, y'all. Okay, sorry, y'all. I had to change my skirt because something happened. Yeah, I think that's enough perfume. I think it smells good. So this smells like, it's like a flower, like a little bit of a flowery scent. It's supposed to be, let me see what it's supposed to smell like. It don't say. It don't say at all, but it smells good. I'm gonna put some lotion on because your girl is a little ashy. Gotta massage up the elbows. And then, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lip gloss on. Okay, I'm trying to find the right lighting, but this is my outfit. Got the pearl earrings, pearl bracelet, black bodysuit, this pink skirt I got from H&M, these little espadrille, oh, not espadrille, wedge sandals, and my Michael Kors bag. This is my makeup look. I think I did really well. I put the NYX, hold on, what color was that? I put the NYX Ginger Snap Butter Gloss on my lips. And that was that. Thank you all for watching my Get Ready With Me vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm so excited to be going to brunch to drink some mimosas. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below if you are a mimosa person or Bellinis for brunch. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all again for watching. Until next time, bye.